Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If one zero of the polynomial r square plus 4 bracket whole bracket multiplied to x square plus 16x plus 4r is reciprocal of the other, find the value of r. Now we know from zeros and coefficients of polynomial relation of polynomial that product of zeros is equal to constant term upon leading coefficient. So here in this case, let 1 0 equal to a, therefore other is reciprocal of a, that is 1 by a. Therefore we can say product of zeros equal to a multiplied by 1 by a equal to 1. Now this has to be equal to constant term, which is 4r, divided by leading coefficient, which is r square plus 4. So we can simply cross multiply and get r square plus 4 equal to 4r. Therefore r square minus 4r plus 4 equal to 0. Now this looks like an identity, r minus 2 whole square equal to 0. If we take square root, we get r minus 2 equal to 0 and we get r equal to 2. So the required value of r is 2. This is the answer.